personalities are fighting with each other right now.
Okay.
One of them wants to be more blonde.
Right.
You know? The crazy me. Copper?
What kind of copper?
I don't know. Whatever you want.
I think that'd be really fucking cool.
Yeah.
Like a big change. We haven't done a big change in a long time. Let's fucking do it.
It's all black. I'm crying. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Are you scared? What's laughing? Oh, bitch.
It's cauliflower.
Good job.
Oh my god, thank you.
Yeah, like that's insane.
Actually, really.
You never tell me good job.
Literally. Y'all did the reveal without me. Oh no. What the fuck is that? Why is this kind of eating? A darker orange with like we did like light orange and then darker orange, or just try and get it light orange all over with like lighter in the front.
I like that.
The natural one?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Or the veil.
What if we did the veil with the lighter in the front too?
Oh, okay.
Or down on your hair.
What is there? Just keep grouping them.
Okay.
Oh, so good. Wow.
Dude, so beautiful. Wow. It's fucking perfect. It looks like a wig, dude. Oh.
This is one of my favorite songs we've ever done on you.
Oh, wow. I love that.
That?
Good.
Mm-hmm.